Have you heard about the apps to get paid for playing games? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get legit free game apps that will let you play and make money at the same time. All without spending any of your hard-earned cash. These are legit game apps to get cash with no work. All you have to do is install the app on your phone, start playing the game and get real money for free. So, keep watching till the end. But before we start, make sure to check the links in the description below to make big money instantly, so make sure you don't miss out on that. Subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. Want to know whether there are any cash app games that really pay out? I was, too, so I decided to look into it and give you the overview here. You don't have to be a pro gamer to make money from your favorite mobile game. You can make money with just your phone. No investment is needed, just download these apps and start making money within minutes. You can even earn by referring friends and family. They are free to download and easy to use. Here are some legitimate apps that will pay you to play games, so you don't have to fall for the scams. These genuine cash app games are among the simplest ways to make money online. 1. Bingo Cash. Bingo Cash is where a true classic and real cash prizes meet. Bingo Cash is free to download and play. Bingo Cash is available in the Apple Store and Samsung Galaxy Store for iOS and Android. Don't look for the app on Google Play or you'll be disappointed by scam apps. After downloading the game for free, you can start playing regular or cash tournaments and win real money. Carefully design the game to have a smooth and modern feel to it and threw in some classic, bingo game elements we all love. If you like Blackout, Story, Bash, Clash, Holiday, Tycoon, Pop, Showdown, or Blitz Bingo, you'll love Bingo Cash. Play with no distracting ads, enjoy awesome daily gifts and bonuses. Win real money tournaments, take part in multiplayer tournaments with trophies and big prizes. And cash out securely using PayPal and Apple Pay. 2. Missed Play. Missed Play is a prominent mobile gaming platform since it pays its subscribers. You may choose from a number of different games, and the time you spend playing them will earn you money in your Cash App account. The Missed Play app offers users the chance to earn boosts by playing a curated selection of cash games, or they may play any game of their choosing. There are games for almost everyone on the site, from solitaire-style games to games in which you develop your own virtual farms and even games with mythological animals. You get points redeemable for things like gift cards or cash through services like Visa or PayPal. After that, you may send money to Cash App. 3. Drop App. Play games on the Drop app and get cash. Choose from the many games available and download them to your computer. Choose the ones that pique your curiosity. Participate in such games and get points for your efforts. You may redeem your points in cash by having them deposited into your PayPal account. Now, make sure to check the links in the description if you like to make money instantly. In the end, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.